So what's good, D-Squad? How you doing? How you feeling, man? It's your boy D back, y'all. Another bang reaction, man. You already know what the day is, man. Today is Random Tuesday, number 133. Today we got David, or D4vd, however you want to say, charged with murder and brutal and horrific death of teen DA. I think that's the victim's initials, I think. Yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I think this happened a few months ago, like early this year. Y'all ain't heard about it. I mean, basically, to sum it all up, the singer David was accused of unaliving a teenager, and her body was found in different parts in the trunk of his Tesla. And yeah, basically people was on his top about it. Like, yeah, he was pleading, you know what I'm saying? He was saying, of course, they saying they didn't do it, but, you know, it was in his car. So, I mean, and then things are not looking too good for him. So I think this is the case. This is them charging him with it, you know, he's going to jail. We're going to hop into this video, man. I know it's going to be disturbing because when I heard about it, I was disturbed myself. I was like, ooh. I'll say my thoughts after the video, but of course y'all open to say y'all thoughts about the whole situation in the comment section. You know, so just let me know y'all thoughts about the whole situation. I'll leave the original video link in the description down below for those y'all want to check it on your own time. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and join the D Squad if you haven't already. And also subscribe to my second channel, DatBoiDith Skits. For those of y'all who's open to exploring new nutritional brands such as vitamins, energy drinks, skincare products, things like that. I have an online marketing business link that's also be in the description down below. So if that's something you're interested in, feel free to click on that link. Other than that, let's hop into it, man. Let's get it.
Good morning. My name is Nathan Hochman. I'm the District Attorney of Los Angeles County. With me up here is Los Angeles Police Department Chief Jim McDonald. Also at this podium on the DA's side are the Assistant District Attorney Maria Ramirez, who oversees...
Oh, okay, DA. District Attorney, that's what the DA on the title stands for. This is the victim right here. Rest in peace to her, by the way. That's just terrible.
These are special operations. We have John McKinney, who is our Director of Specialized Prosecutions. The Assistant Head Deputy District Attorney is Habib Balian of the Major Crimes Division. Deputy District Attorney Beth Silverman of the Major Crimes Division will be the lead prosecutor on this case. From the Los Angeles Police Department, we also have Captain Scott Williams, who's the commanding officer of LAPD's Robbery Homicide Division. The Chief of Detectives, Alan Hamilton. The Director of Specialized Prosecutions, Mike Rimkunis. And the LAPD detectives on this case, Josh Byers and Corey Farrell. Today, I am announcing the charges against David Anthony Burke, the musician known as David, spelled D4vd, in connection with the brutal and horrific murder of Celeste, a 14-year-old at that time. These charges include the most serious charges that a DA's office can bring. That is first-degree murder with special circumstances. The special circumstances being lying in wait, committing this crime for financial gain, or murdering a witness in an investigation. These special circumstances...
Yeah, who knows what the situation is? You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, it's a whole lot of thoughts that come through people's heads. Like, okay, David is obviously older than 14. Some people were saying, shoot, found out that she was underage and, you know what I'm saying, got her up out of there. Which is like, come on, man. And then the wait, come on, man. And then, like he said, she could have been a witness to something else. But it's like, yo, come on, yo. It's like what could be the reason to do that, though? Like, to do that, though? And just leave? Yeah, I don't know. Really. I don't really know, y'all. Y'all gotta help me out with this one. I don't know, like, what could even lead to something like that?
Carry with it, along with the first-degree murder charge, a maximum sentence of life without the possibility of parole or the death penalty. The determination on whether or not the District Attorney's Office will seek the death penalty will be made at a later time.
Oh, Lord, death penalty?
Before I get into the actual charges, and there are additional charges against Mr. Burke, including continuous sexual acts, lewd and lascivious sexual acts with an individual under 14 years old, and mutilating a human remains of a body. Before I get into the description of these charges and their seriousness, I want to look at this as a parent. I am a parent of 3 children, and a parent's nightmare is a situation where your daughter goes out one night and never comes back. As we will...
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, he cooked when it come to that. You got a jury full of parents and all, the parents is gonna cook you. Man, like, hey, I don't know who gonna be on his side on this one. I don't know, but though the parents is gonna cook you. Then you don't like that. I ain't gonna lie. And then she's in your trunk. Yeah. Oh, Lordy. I'm gonna pray for Brother David right here, man. And for the family, for Celeste Rivas, man. I mean, because losing a child like that. Oh my God.
Show in a court of law, and what I also want to make sure about that the understanding of these charges is clear, is my description of these charges is not evidence that we are going to present in court. These charges, in fact, will not be evidence in the court. Evidence will be the witness testimony, the documents, and different types of admissible testimony that we will admit into court in the prosecution, and if it leads to the eventual trial of Mr. Burke, to convince a jury of 12 people beyond a reasonable doubt that each and every one of these charges is true, as well as the special allegations and circumstances that have been alleged. Now, back to this being a parent's nightmare. On April 23rd, 2025, as been alleged by the complaint, Celeste, a 14-year-old at that time, went to Mr. Burke's house in the Hollywood Hills.
Wait.
Been alleged by the complaint. Celeste, a 14-year-old at that time, went to Mr. Burke's house in the Hollywood Hills. She was never heard from again.
Oh, she was at the crib? Oh, see, I ain't know all that.
On September 8th, 2025, as alleged in the complaint, Miss Celeste remains, her dismembered and decomposed remains were found in 2 bags inside of a front trunk of a car registered to Mr. Burke. Thereafter began an investigation. The investigation was to determine who killed, who murdered Celeste months and months before.
So I got to think about it in a realistic way. I mean, somebody could have put, I don't know. Somebody could have put that in his car. It had to be somebody he knew, though, because that's a Tesla. Hey, somebody have to have access to it. So if it ain't you, you know what I'm saying? It's very hard to justify that. I ain't gonna lie. Like, if he's dead innocent, which I have no idea if he is or not, that's hard to prove. That's really hard to prove. So it's like, you got it. You're gonna get cooked for that. That at the end of the day, it was found in your car. You know what I'm saying? She was found in your car. So baked beans. I ain't gonna lie. That's a very crazy situation there.
That investigation was carried out in unison and in partnership between the LAPD's Robbery Homicide Division and the District Attorney's Office. At every point in the investigation, through the arrest and the filing of charges, the LAPD and the District Attorney's Office have worked in lockstep. There's been no disagreements amongst these entities in deciding how to proceed with this case, ultimately leading to these charges today. So what you have as well with these charges is that, again, there are 3 sets of charges that have been brought. The first-degree murder with special circumstances, and again, those special circumstances are lying in wait. That Celeste went to Mr. Burke's home on the night of April 23rd, 2025, as alleged in the complaint, at his invitation, and again, was not heard from again. The second is a special circumstance being that this murder was committed for financial gain. As the evidence will show in court, the financial gain was for Mr. Burke to maintain his very lucrative musical career that Celeste was threatening on that particular night. The third charge, in addition to lying in wait and for financial gain, is murdering a witness to an investigation. In this particular case, as the evidence will come out in court, the witness to the investigation was Celeste. And the investigation was into the lewd and lascivious sexual acts committed by Mr. Burke that is the subject of count 2 of this complaint with Celeste while she was under 14 years old.
Bro,
I had the chance to meet with some of the family members of Celeste, and their grief is incalculable as to what happened to their daughter. What they have demanded, what we have assured them that the district attorney's office working with LAPD would give them is the proof beyond a reasonable doubt on who killed their daughter, on how their daughter was killed, when their daughter was killed, and bring that killer to justice. That killer that we have now charged is David Anthony Burke.
Vibe coders,
Dang,
ready to build more?
bro.
Meet Base 44.
Dang, bro. Oh, man. This is a touchy subject, y'all. Like, that's crazy, man. Hey, I'm lost for words. You know what I'm saying? I mean, he cooked at this point. I'm not gonna lie. If he did do that, brother, you're gonna have to face your consequences, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Like, you know, and I don't even like I don't even like people in jail. You know what I'm saying? But it's like when you do certain activities, it's like you have to, God got ways to sit you down. Like, you gotta sit there, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You definitely gotta think about your actions, bro. I ain't gonna cap, cause that's crazy. Yeah, y'all. Like I said, my condolences to the family of Celeste, man. Cause that's, Lord have mercy, that's crazy. My condolences, man. I'm gonna definitely say a prayer after that I'm done with this video. But yeah, y'all just stay safe out here, man. It's crazy out here, bro. Crazy. But yeah, y'all, that concludes another video of Random Tuesday. I hope you guys, I wouldn't even say enjoy it, because that is nothing to enjoy, you know, but I just hope that y'all learned something from this, you know, or at least got an opinion on this. Put how y'all feel in the comments. Same time next week, any other questions, what you guys want to see for next week, just go ahead and drop it in the comment section. We'll go from there. But until next time, man, I hope you guys enjoy your Tuesday so far. I hope you guys are looking forward to your Wednesday. But yeah, y'all stay safe out. God bless y'all. You know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for the support. Other than that, man, Thief is out, man. Peace, y'all.